So this little gem, customer commission build based on a Honda Shadow 600, which is a bit different to Harley. And it's a Honda, so maybe more reliable. The nice thing about this build is obviously you've got your donor bike with the engine. The front wheel forks and yokes work really well from stock, as you can see, with the sizes, spoked wheels as well, so you haven't got to start getting involved in drug money. The top yoke, dash and lights all work as well. That's all stock. So, you know, why spend money on a billet yokes and a digital dash when you've got it all there? He's got his tank, high sitting tank. We're having a little play around with this, hence the king and queen seat. His original idea was a single seat. Now, that's doable. We can, you know, obviously it can go on, but this would have no springs in it, which is going to make it awful hard on the back. We can do a sprung king and queen seat, as you might have seen that we did on our Captain America retro replica. So, but I don't think his budget's going to reach to that. So we're going to go with, he'll probably go with a single seat. This is based on one of our, or two of our, a vegan eater frame and a knicker dropper frame. So for those of you that know the frames that we do off the shelf, those are two well-known names, but he wanted it slightly different, hence the tank shape and the top spine. So a few more bits to do on this as to what direction he wants to go in. I'm a lover of the king and queen seat on this sort of bike, on this sort of build. I think it works if you want that Frisco look. But obviously, if he wants to go with the single seat, which is relatively cheap to spring, that's his option. So keep an eye on this. We'll give you plenty of updates as to we get along, and let us know what you think. Okay, have a good holiday weekend. Don't forget the clocks have gone forward. Oops. Not in here yet though. Oh well.